Welcome to the Xero series of data integration tutorials, where we show you how to automatically export data from your favorite apps. Hi, I'm Piotr from Xero. Today I will show you how to connect Xero to BigQuery. Interested in pulling data from other apps too? Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you're the first to know when we release new integrations and tutorials. Before we begin, create a free Xero account. No card is required. Alternatively, sign in if you already have a Xero account. I will now set up a Xero to BigQuery importer. Click the Add Importer button. With Xero, you can import raw data from Xero to BigQuery or fetch entire reports. I will go with the former, selecting Xero from the menu. The available destinations include Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and BigQuery. I will go with BigQuery. Then press Proceed. Name the importer. I will go by the name Paid Invoices. Now I need to connect my Xero account. Press Connect. If you have multiple organizations in your Xero account, select the one you want to import data from. Then press Allow Access to authorize Xero to import the data on your behalf. Click Continue. There are many entities available for export from Xero to BigQuery. In the Data Entity drop-down list, I pick Invoices. I'm craving more data, so I will select Detailed Report Type. Click Continue. The next three fields are optional, but I would like to narrow down the results a bit. I'm interested only in paid invoices, so I add the following filter to the Where field. Status equals paid. I skip the rest of the fields and click Continue. To be able to import Xero to BigQuery, I need to add and authorize a new destination account. Click Connect. Here, I need to upload a key file in JSON format. Here is how to get it. Go to the Google Cloud Platform console. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side, select I am an admin and then Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account at the top. Enter the service account name and then click Create and Continue. Add roles BigQuery Data Editor and BigQuery Job User. Click Continue and then Done. Click on the three dots next to your service account and choose Manage Keys. Press Add Key and select Create New Key. Choose JSON type and press Create. The file will be saved to your computer. Now, go back to the Xero configuration and select the file you just saved. Click Save and then Continue. I just connected my BigQuery account. Now, it's time to specify the dataset and table that I will import my data to. You can copy the names from your BigQuery dashboard. Or, if you prefer, just type in the names and Xero will create the respective dataset and table for you. Afterwards, press Continue. The following sections are optional, and I will skip them. Click Continue. Here, I will set up a schedule for an automatic data refresh. Switch the toggle on. I want to export Xero to BigQuery on an hourly basis, every day of the week. So I'm making a small amendment to the suggested schedule, adding Saturday and Sunday. The time preferences and the times don't work for me, so I don't need to change anything here. The final step is to click the Save and Run button. Know someone who would benefit from setting up this Xero to BigQuery integration? Like this video and share it with them. The importer has now finished running, so I click the View Results button. And here's the preview of my Xero data. Set up your Xero to BigQuery integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, Xero has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support. Thanks.